What's happening, graphic designers? Have you ever been asked the question, can you design a logo for me from a potential client? This course is going to teach you all aspects of the logo design process from client to concept to completion. My name is Steve Looney and I am the owner of GraphicDesignerTips.com. Now, when I think of logo design, there's a lot of importance that comes to mind. Not only for the actual client that is having their logo designed for them, because logo design is the most important aspect of a business. It's the beginning, it's the first step. But from a graphic designer standpoint, a logo design is usually the first thing that a client will ask you to do, your first big project. And if you do a really good job on that logo design, not only A, can you add it to your portfolio, but B, if your client loves it and they have great success through it, they're going to give you all their other marketing material to produce. Their postcards, direct mailers, flyers, even web design, if you can get into that eventually. So logo design is the first step. Now, the name of this course is Logo Design Bootcamp. I currently run a very successful YouTube channel right now. I have over 1 million views on my videos. I have over 12,000 loyal subscribers. And I did a series called Logo Design Bootcamp from November of 2012 to March of 2013. Here are some of the videos. You can go on YouTube and check them out. This course is going to be more in depth than these videos. And for the people who have seen these videos, they're probably wondering how much more in depth can I get? Well, we can get very much more in depth. You're going to learn a lot of stuff in this course. The first part of this course is going to be about client interaction. Now, this is very important because you could be so skillful, but you just can't close a deal, or you just don't even know how to prepare yourself for a meeting. That's what this area is going to be about. You're going to learn how to prepare yourself for a meeting, how to speak to a client, what to have in your briefcase for a client, what types of information sheets you're going to need. And there's all downloadable content too. The next area we're going to talk about is researching. Once you have this idea, you know the client's company name, you know their color scheme, and now you need to get up ideas to build this brand, okay? You can't just jump right to the computer. There's a lot of things that need to be done prior to this to then do research, whether it be on the computer or in textbooks. The third thing is actually building the logo. Now, you can reference my Logo Design Bootcamp series, which will help you. It's an addition, it's a bonus right there. But I'm going to jump in depth into certain areas of typography, of coloring, of gradients, of effects that are going to be super important for you to be able to figure out ideas when you're building this logo for the client, so you can give them a number of different types of ideas and variations. You don't want to give the client one or two of the same type of an idea. It's not going to fly. The last stage you're going to learn about, which is probably the most important, is after this whole project has been completed, you've done all this work, how do you send drafts, how do you send proofs to the client, and how do you package this up and finalize the actual logo? Now, this course also has a project at the end, which I'll explain in a video in the project, but I look forward to helping you out. I hope you look forward to learning, and I'm very accessible to answer questions as soon as possible, because the goal here is to make sure that you learn this stuff the correct way. So I'll see you guys in class. Peace.